actually have a horn-like structure known as left-hand side as their main form of motion. They can swim, they just prefer to walk around. And there's a whole bunch of them actually out of the water up ahead, all weigh about 500 pounds or so. They usually fish in their diet, but they're known to eat almost any animal that enters their waters. Up to animals the size of zebras. And up over here on our left-hand side, the painted dogs hunt in packs anywhere to about 5, learning the rest of the herd. There's danger nearby. Did interview some of those wildebeest as well. Just over here on our right-hand side. And there's going to be some of the Ankole cattle and some giraffes as well, up over here on our right. The Ankole cattle are going to be the animals like cows, because they were first domesticated and discovered by the Watusi tribe in Africa. The giraffes, though, out here, a group of them, they're going to be referred to as a tower of giraffes, just because of how tall they are. They range in height anywhere. All the giraffes that we'll be able to see are all going to be Maasai giraffes. They have a little bit of an irregular height, but they're usually up and moving around within the first couple of flight. They can move at high speeds, close to around 30 miles per hour for them. Carved into it, looks almost identical to ivory. There's been the DNA of the African elephant as well into it. Doing all the damage to the trade, but helping a lot of elephants out in the process. Anytime the elephant gets near them, they get scared away thanks to bees. Farms to keep their land nice and safe, as well as the honey for the bees as well. You can also be able to see some of the other baobab trees though over here on our right and left hand side. Elephants will suck. Road was for a giraffe for over a year. Usually try and bribe them with some of their favorite foods, but I think they do it on purpose now, just get those extra treats there sometimes. A group of flamingos, they're going to be referred to as a flamboyance of flamingos. They'll finally be filter feeders, weight anywhere between about 4,000 to 5,000 pounds. Movement speeds close to around 30 miles per hour. Unfortunately, though, they are being poached for those horns. Made of keratin. Their horns, specifically actually with their horns, they design them in a certain way. So they actually shave it off in a sense with the logs out here. I've seen them use the logs to itch their ears, their head, their horns, anything really, like escape or anything. And then once we make those checks, then we set out food for the morning for them, so that way they come out and get. It wasn't as bad as yesterday, at least, but it made a lot of the animals a little more active, at least in comparison to yesterday. Yesterday we opened and I saw 2 animals the first hour that we opened. It was wildebeest and flamingos, you know, everyone's favorite 2 animals. And warm. They also use the Swahili as taka, which means trash. There you see the male lion laying down. He's pretty young. His mane is still coming in at the moment over here, laying down on your left-hand side. And like I said before, the rocks they'll use as a way to survey their territory. The female lions are surveying their territory. They're all the way actually on top of the rocks on their left-hand side out there.
Aren't these lions new?
Yep, these are the newer ones. The other ones are gotten retired. And then the ostrich that was causing some trouble is straight ahead at the moment. The ostriches are going to be one of the fastest 2-legged animals in the world, running at high speeds, close to around 40 miles per hour. They can't fly though, they use their wings kind of like rudders to turn at high speeds for them. This is one of the over there on your right. The second smallest goat species in the world. Also, sometimes